Draw a butterfly. First, get a piece of clean paper. Oh, and don't forget your pencil. You can use those cool, colorful ones too. Now, let's begin. Draw a small circle for its head. Then draw a long oval for its body. Next, add the wings. Let's start from the right. Make those flappy wings as big as you can. Now, do the same wing on the other side. Got it? Good. Now let's do the other wing. Draw a long and big oval below the first wing. Make sure it's still connected to the body. Now draw another here on the left. Great job, little genius! Now it's time for the details. Let's go make the antenna on top of the head like this. And for its eyes, draw 2 small circles. Next, draw a big smile. Say cheese! Now for the really cool part, creating the design. Draw some stripes on the body, and for the wings, draw any kind of pattern you want. Make it as cool and colorful as you want it to be. Use your crayons, markers, or colored pens and splash color all over your drawing. Try to stay inside the lines. See how beautiful it is now? And we're finished! We've created a beautiful butterfly!